Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to unsend messages in line. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let's say I send something to my friend and it is a mistake. Let's say I send it to him right now. This is a mistake message. Now let's say I want to unsend it. Well, the process is quite easy. Simply click and hold on the message that you wish to unsend. Now as you guys can see, once you click on it, this thing will open up. From here, there are lots of options, simply ranging from copy to capture. All you guys need to do is click on this button called as unsend and give your confirmation, but do note that the messages may not be removed for some users depending upon what line version they use. Simply hit on unsend, and that is it guys. That's how you unsend messages in line. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.